Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need an assortment of whatever beads you have on hand. I have some pony beads here, and you're also going to need a whistle. So before we get started with this tutorial, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the rave whistle. So I started going to parties in 2000, and at that time an old school raver told me that they used to hand whistles out before they had candy on them. So they were just on a necklace. They would hand them out at the door just in case the cops came, because, you know, raves back then, they were throwing them in warehouses and you weren't supposed to be there. So it was like, get the hell out of there. But by the time I was in the scene, we weren't using the whistle that way. Yeah, so like in the 2000s, we were using them to hype up sets, and they even made tracks that told you to blow your whistle. So I'm going to add in the description box a track that was popular that I actually would blow my whistle to. I know that sounds funny. But yeah, you guys should check it out and listen to it. But it's some happy hardcore from back in the day. And I looked through my candy and I could not find my whistle, so I must have traded it. But I do remember that this necklace here, I have a little flashlight because, you know, parties were dark. Doesn't work now, of course, but I do remember that I had this whistle, I think it was this whistle, attached on here at one point. But yeah, I couldn't find mine. I'm sure I gave it away. Anything I make for myself, I typically give away. Even if I, like, make it and tell myself I'm going to keep it, I just give it away, because that's just how I am. So these are my whistles that I've collected over the years. These are my favorite. They're like little baby ones. So what I do is just cut this and then tie it to a bead so you can have it on a bracelet. And these are really cool. These are Lisa Frank. I think these are from the 90s. And then, yeah, I went crazy with the whistles. But I think today I'm just going to use this yellow one. And you're going to need a necklace, or I'm sorry, a piece of string for your necklace. I'm going to make it long because that's kind of, it's not like super long, but that's how we wore them back in the day. And I'm not going to do any like special pattern. I'm just going to make it random because that reminds me of back in the day. Like, whatever beads you have will work just fine. But it would be really cool because I mean, I know some people are out there like still rocking the whistle, but they're definitely not as popular as they used to be. But it would be cool to see people bring them back. Or just to add whistles to candy would be fun, which I haven't done in forever. You know me, I gotta go with the rainbow over here. But if you guys make any of these, tag me on Instagram because I love to see what you guys come up with. And let me know if you like these stories. I think it's fun to share with you guys. I know when I first got in the scene, I wanted to know everything. And the internet, you know, that really wasn't a thing that we could use to like look up. So we just had to ask people. I know I probably sound really old saying that. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and make this, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Oh, and I did want to mention that I'm from the Midwest, so, you know, my rave stories might be different from other parts of the world. So if you guys have stories, I would love to hear them. So this is what my necklace looks like. And then I thought this would be cute to add. I had this safety pin. It says Kandi and this little charm. So I have the safety pin on the charm, and then I'm just gonna clip it. And that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this story time and tutorial. I'll see you next time.